walk you through a demo of the reviews portion of our software, which will allow you to track all of your reviews. When it comes to your reputation online, it's obviously incredibly important for conversion. So this is a dashboard that will outline how many invites you've sent out, how many reviews you've received, your average rating, your sentiment, invite trends, review trends, all of these kind of details. You can send out individual requests, and then we have overall listings as well. But that is a powerful thing here. You can plug in and send out individual requests via Google. You can send it to via SMS or via email. So when you type in, hi, can you review us or something? You review us, right? Please, and something like that. Type in whatever message you want to send. You can add an image, and you can reach out to them via email, via SMS, and request for your customers to review you, and that will generate obviously some positive response online and in places like Google reviews and a number of different places online where you'll show up in SEO. So a very powerful way to track your reviews. You can also embed your widget when it comes to a widget on your website or funnel. You can send emails, send SMSs, and they will all show up here on your dashboard as people start to review your services, products, business, and you can keep a track on your reputation online. Any questions, plug it in the knowledge base, reach out to support, and I will see you on the inside.